Distractions. Why did I say distractions? There are a lot of distractions in our lives. So it can be a person, or it can be a human being like us, or it can also be non-tangible assets or items such as cars, di ba? Um, there are lots of people who spend too much time with their transportation, with their cars, cleaning it up, setting it up, maintenance and everything. Or for the others who who live in the provinces or in the barrio, they have this ano ano yung tawag doon? The tandang rooster. And so in the morning, instead of staying or giving time with their family, first they talk with their rooster or spend time with their rooster first before talking with their family. So it can also be a distraction. Another one is ano pa ba? Teka muna. Say I will the time killers, um when you sit down by the TV set, when you sit down by the TV set and then you realize you were there already for 2 hours or for 3 hours, and then you have to think about it. Oh, why is it that I spent a lot of time in front of the TV? Maybe if I have used that 3 hours instead of sitting down watching the television, maybe I have used it to some productive things such as what? Recording your own video and broadcasting yourself as a live streamer. So even watching the TV can be a distraction. So we have to be very aware of the time that's going on, even a small chit chat with your neighbor, maybe a short, hello, how are you? What's going on? What's up? And then after a while, okay, please excuse me, I have to do something. So we have to be very, very aware of that so that in the process, we will not be carried over by the time killers. So those are our time killers. And have you noticed before becoming a vlogger, my bath time usually is very very long. Maybe the list is, I don't know if I have to be proud of it. Actually, I am shy also. um, Before becoming a vlogger, I have bath time from 30 to 40 minutes. But now that I'm already a vlogger, I have to trim down my bath time. So it's becoming shorter and shorter each day. Maybe 15 minutes to 10 minutes bath time. Imagine that, you see? You see, even your bath time is being controlled, or you are becoming very aware of the time because you want to do as much as you can to grow your channel. So those are some of the distractions that we have, and also some of the activities that we are doing. Now that we are in the quarantine, of course, we have lots of time here at home. But if you are not really jotting down the things that you have to do, you will be amazed that you have already finished one day without doing anything. Sometimes just lying on your bed or everything like that, you see. So you have to be very conscious, very aware, very organized in the time, in the activities that we have to do. Okay, Papa John, Sunday morning up in the lark. Hey, 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 yes. Sunday morning up in the lark. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. Yes. My beautiful Sunday. Because it's Sunday here in the Philippines. Thanks, nice evening. Bumababa, there's a red arrow in your analytics. So it's very good if you are like Brenda Page. Brenda Page is very, very hardworking. She's working on doing or uploading videos. Sometimes, minsan pa nga yata, 2 times a day siya nag-upload ng video. So, that's very ideal. Yun yung talagang we have to reach that. Pero it's not really required to be uploading daily. But if you can do it, it is to the advantage of your channel. Kasi the what we call this, the algorithm will be will be motivated or will be activated each time that you are uploading videos. The algorithm of your channel is always being activated. At pag nagiging activated, always active in the uploading of videos or even becoming active in the live streaming, there's a big tendency that your channel will be recommended by YT to other viewers. Even if you are not attending other live stream, pero ikaw mismo yung nag-host, of course, the people who are clicking on your thumbnail will become your new friends also. Ayan, meron na tayong 35 minutes. Ayan, sabi ko nga, here in YT, we are always showing love to one another and yun na nga, we have to avoid distraction, di ba? Sometimes we keep on just chatting 2 to 3 hours, watching teledrama. Siguro, instead of doing that, instead of counting or trying to see who unsubscribe. Sino ba yung mga nag-unsubscribe sa akin? Galit na galit ka? Nainis ka dahil nabawasan ang iyong subscribers? And then you spend so much time thinking about it. Siguro instead of using that time to determine or to discover who among your friends remove the thumbs up or remove the subscribe button, siguro mas maganda pa gumawa ka na lang ng another video. Ayan. So, yan mga distractions dyan. Tapos, you keep on whining, you keep on complaining. Wag na nating ubusin yung time natin sa mga ganon. So, instead of doing like that, nanghinayang ka kasi meron kang reuse content, nabawasan ka na naman ng WH because of that, you have a copyright claim, nabawasan yung time mo. Sa kakapanghinayang mo, nagmumukmuk ka, and you spend time overthinking and thinking about it, what to do about it, ano bang gagawin ko, nakakainis, ganyan-ganyan, nagmumukmuk ka. Instead of doing that, redirect your energy. So, ang gawin mo, gumawa ka ng new and upload more video. So, in that manner, you will avoid having the heartache or sama ng loob, di ba? Mawawala yung sama ng loob mo. Sino ba yung mga people who unsubscribe to you? So you will not be angry anymore. And you channel this energy. The energy of hatred, you channel it into making another video. And the result is you were able to produce a very nice video. You see, pagka gano'n ang ginawa natin, channeling our energy, focusing our energy in the other direction, we will get better result. Diba? So yun, yung isang friend namin, nalulungkot daw siya dahil laging wala siyang kausap sa live streaming. And I told her, kinuwento ko sa kanya, in my early days back in June 2019, that's the time that I started becoming serious. Actually, June 2018, or January 2018, I am already curious about having a YouTube channel. Sabi ko, I'm toying with the idea of why would I not try to also have my own YouTube channel. It's like just putting on my videos there, just to keep the mementos. You see, it's better to have your own channel so that you can keep your videos. Unlike photos can be dapo. Kasi if you keep your mouth shut, 'di ba? Wala kang kasama, there's no viewer in your live stream and you keep your mouth shut, you are not speaking or you are not saying anything. If ever there's some people who will visit you and you're not speaking anything, or you just place your camera in front of the wall, nobody is in there, how can you attract viewers? Kaya dapat you keep on speaking. Sabi ko sa kanya, even though you don't have that much viewer, even though isa lang yung viewer mo na yan, ninja lang yan, you talk to him or to her, so that when there's viewer who will pass by or drop by your LS, at least meron silang nakikitang nagsasalita doon, and you will attract more viewers. And then regular schedule, you have to list down, or you have to aim a high goal, so that when you miss the mark, when you miss the target, at least nandito ka. Kasi if your goal is here, if you miss the target, sad ka na sa lupa, you're already on the ground. Kaya when you make a goal, make it high so that kung ma-miss mo man, even though you miss the target, at least you are beneath it, mataas pa rin yung na-achieve mo. So, multi-billionaire, at least dito ka lang, you miss it, you become millionaire. O, diba? You were not able to reach your goal, which is becoming a billionaire. You are beneath it, andito ka, millionaire ka. If your goal is only to get by or okay lang, kontento na ako dito, simpleng buhay, o simpleng buhay, ito lang yung goal mo. Pag na-miss mo yung simpleng buhay, dito ka, you are on the ground, sabsad-sad ka dyan. Kaya dapat talaga, mangarap ka naman, it's free, libreng mangarap, you can dream it, you can achieve it as long as you think it and you couple it with action. Of course, may action, may pananampalataya sa Panginoon, then maaabot mo yun. Kaya dream high, kaya sabi niya, he needs daw to become billionaire. And now, shout out to my